If your PlayStation 5 won't connect to Wi-Fi or internet, or if it's slow and your downloads keep failing, you see failed to connect, no internet, couldn't resolve DNS, or the connection keeps dropping, then I'll show you some basic troubleshooting that should improve network speed and resolve any errors with your PS5 internet. A simple restart can fix a lot of bugs that may be causing bad internet speed or connection errors. So you can power cycle your console first, and then also restart your router. If the network's still not working, then forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. So we'll go to settings. From there, network, go down to settings, and then set up internet connection. And as you can see, the connection keeps failing for us. So we are gonna highlight our Wi-Fi network and press the option button. From there, select forget, and then press OK. Now connect it back and check your network connection. If you're still getting pop-ups like us, then another big reason why this can happen is if a lot of devices is connected to your router. If this is the case, then you can disconnect some devices from your router and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. If the network didn't improve and you still can't connect to your Wi-Fi, then we will check PlayStation 5's network status. You can do it right from the network settings. So we will go back and then go to connection status. And from there we will go to view PlayStation network status. Now if this page isn't loading or is taking too long to load, then it's definitely your Wi-Fi network that's the issue and not your PlayStation. If it loads, then make sure that all the services are up and running and they have a green circle in front of them. If you see any of these services are unavailable, then you have to wait for them to go online, then your problem should be fixed. But if it isn't your Wi-Fi, then you can try changing a few settings, such as bandwidth and DNS server. To change the bandwidth, simply highlight a Wi-Fi network and then press the option button. From there, go to Wi-Fi frequency bands, which is set to automatic by default, and from here switch between 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. After changing, your console will disconnect from the Wi-Fi and then connect back. Now let's try changing the DNS settings by pressing option again and then selecting advanced settings. Go down to DNS settings, which is set to automatic. We will switch to manual. Now you can change your primary and secondary DNS. We recommend Google's DNS servers cause it is most popular in the US. So let's highlight primary DNS and put in Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. And the secondary DNS is 8.8.4.4. You can also try Cloudflare's DNS or any other DNS servers, and the experience will vary from users to users. When you're done, press OK and the DNS settings will be saved. After going through all these settings, if your Wi-Fi is still not working, then to check if it's a hardware issue, connect your console using your phone's hotspot. And if the hotspot doesn't work either, then it's probably a hardware issue where your PS5 has a bad Wi-Fi chip. And for that, you need to contact PlayStation 5 support so that they can assist you further. But if your Wi-Fi can connect to mobile hotspots, then it may be a router's issue and you need to configure it further. You can contact your ISP and they can help you with that. Hope this video helped you solve your PS5's Wi-Fi issue. Do leave your feedback down below and I'll see you around.